Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and I'm from amandacrochets.com, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy grit stitch. The grit stitch is a very beginner friendly stitch that just uses two basic crochet stitches, which is the single crochet and the double crochet. The grit stitch is one of those stitches that requires little thinking once you get the hang of it, as it's just a one row repeat. This is a softly textured stitch that would work well for a variety of different size projects such as dishcloths, blankets, or scarves, and the end result is just beautiful. So as you can see here with this little swatch, this is the grit stitch, and it does have that beautiful texture to it, and I absolutely love this stitch, and I cannot wait to see what you all do with this stitch using different colors. You can use variegated colors or solid colors. The possibilities are really up to you. So let's start today's tutorial on how to make the grit stitch. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be using a size H 5mm crochet hook, and I'm also going to be using some Caron Baby Cakes yarn. Now you can use any yarn that you would like for today's tutorial. This is just a practice swatch, so I recommend looking at your yarn label, and the yarn I'm using is a 4 worsted weight yarn, and it recommends a US H8 5mm crochet hook. So you can use any yarn that you like. If you want to use a thinner yarn, you can do that. Just look at your yarn label and use the recommended hook size that they say on the label. So for the grit stitch, you will need to make a chain that is a multiple of 2 plus 1, and then when you're satisfied with your width, you're going to add 2 more chains onto the very end. So that means you're going to make your chain into a multiple of 2. So multiply any number by 2. Once you're satisfied, you're going to add 1 more chain to the very end, and then you're going to add 2 more after that. So for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to be making a chain of 19. So to make a chain, you're going to yarn over your hook and pull through that loop on your hook. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So once you have your number of chains, you will go ahead and you will skip the first 2 chains, and the first 2 chains that you skip is going to count as your first single crochet, and then you're going to make a double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. So the loop on your hook does not count, and you're going to count 3 chains, so 1, 2, and 3, and remember that those 2 chains that you skipped is going to count as a single crochet. So in that 3rd chain from your hook, you're going to make a double crochet. So yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that 3rd chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, and that is your double crochet. Next, you're going to skip 1 chain, and you're going to make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet into the same chain. So what I mean is you're going to skip that very next chain, and in the chain after that you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. So to make a single crochet, you're going to insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. And then you're going to make a double crochet into that same chain space. So again, yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that same space, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And then you're just going to repeat this all the way across until you get to the very last chain. So again, you're going to skip this next chain right here, and in the chain after that, you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. Okay, skip that next chain. In the chain after that, you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the next chain and make a single crochet and a double crochet. And again, just repeat this all the way across until you have 2 chains left. And as you can see, my work is curling a little bit, but don't worry, once you do a few more rows, it will even itself out. Okay, and then when you have 2 chains left, you're going to skip 1 chain, and in that very last chain, you're just going to make a single crochet. And then this is what your first row will look like. So to move on to row 2, you're just going to chain 1 and turn your work. Now this chain 1 is going to count as a single crochet, so in the very first stitch you're going to make a double crochet. So this is your chain 1, so that's going to count as your single crochet, and in this stitch right here you're going to make a double crochet. Next you're going to skip the next double crochet from the previous row, and you're going to make 1 single crochet and 1 double crochet in the single crochet from the previous row. So that means in this next stitch right here, you're going to skip this stitch, and in this stitch right here, which is your single crochet from the previous row, you're going to make your single and double crochet. So skip this next stitch, and in the stitch after that, you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. And then again, you're going to repeat this until your last 2 stitches. So for the next stitch, you're going to skip that. In the stitch after that, you're going to make a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the next stitch, and in the stitch after that, make a single crochet and a double crochet. Skip the next stitch, and again in that next stitch after that, a single crochet and a double crochet into that same stitch. Skip the next stitch, and in the stitch after that, make a single crochet and a double crochet. Okay, so I have 2 stitches left. I have this stitch right here and I have this stitch right here. So in this very last stitch, I'm just going to make 1 single crochet. And this is what 2 rows of your grit stitch will look like. So next you're going to chain 1 and turn. And you're just going to repeat row 2 over and over again to practice. So this is a very easy 1 row repeat for beginners, and it's a very textured and very beautiful stitch. So again, you just want to repeat row 2 over and over again to practice. So again, that chain 1 that you made is going to count as your first single crochet. You're going to double crochet into that very first stitch. And then you're going to skip the next stitch, and in the stitch after that make a single crochet and a double crochet. So go ahead and repeat this over and over again to practice, and I will meet up with you after I've done a few rows just to show you what the grit stitch looks like after making a couple more rows. So here is what your grit stitch is going to start to look like. So again, it has that nice, beautiful texture to it. Now I actually made a dishcloth using this grit stitch, which I will go ahead and link above this video as well as in the description box below, just in case you're interested in learning how to use this stitch in a pattern. You can also make this into a scarf or a blanket or even a hat once you understand the multiples. So again, this is how to make the grit stitch, and this will look very beautiful in a solid color as I've shown here, but you can also make this in a variegated color or self-striping yarn. The possibilities are really up to you if you want to go ahead and experiment with different colors to see how this stitch looks. But I really like this beginner stitch, and I feel like this is a wonderful pattern and stitch that looks very complicated, but it's actually very easy. So I hope you give the grit stitch a try, and thank you so much for joining me today and learning how to make the grit stitch. Please like, comment, and subscribe to see all future videos by me, and as always, happy crocheting! Bye!